Number 1. 1985 Ford F150, price $9,000. This is a well-maintained classic pickup in great condition, showcasing its iconic red exterior and matching red interior. Powered by a strong 351 V8 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, it offers a smooth and reliable driving experience. With just 137,700 miles on the odometer, this rear-wheel drive truck still has plenty of life left in it. The vehicle comes with several recent upgrades, including new tires, a new battery, and a new wiper motor, ensuring it's road-ready. It also features power windows and power locks, along with a functioning air conditioning system for added comfort. Running on gasoline, this F-150 has only minimal rust, making it a solid choice for collectors or anyone looking for a dependable vintage truck. Number 2. 1991 Ford F150, price $9,000. It has been driven 122,400 original miles and is powered by a strong 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a white exterior and a clean blue interior, both of which reflect its well-preserved condition. Despite being the original paint, it shows only normal wear and tear for its age. Riding on a 2-inch rough country lift with 33-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, it not only looks tough but handles well on and off the road. The dual Flowmaster exhaust gives it a deep, aggressive sound. A clean title, power windows, new headlights, and a nice tractor supply toolbox in the bed add to its appeal. The side and rear windows are tinted at 5% for added privacy and a sleek appearance. The interior is in great shape, with no rips, tears, or cracks. There are a few minor cons worth noting. While the truck has dual fuel tanks, the rear tank is currently non-functional. The original radio also isn't working due to loose wiring, though this should be a straightforward fix. Number 3. 1978 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,800. It has been driven approximately 126,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The truck is powered by a strong 350 engine equipped with short tube headers leading to dual glass packs, a mid-rise intake manifold, and an Edelbrock carburetor. It has been fitted with a new steering gearbox, giving it solid handling. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior is gray, both showing signs of an older restoration that is beginning to age in places. The truck sits on nearly new tires and has recently had its air and fuel filters replaced. It also features dual fuel tanks, both of which are fully functional, and a working aftermarket radio. New door cards have been installed, and the 4x4 system functions flawlessly. However, the passenger side door is difficult to shut, and the tailgate requires new internal components. Number 4. 1976 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. This is a well-preserved classic pickup that combines vintage charm with solid mechanical updates. With only 47,700 miles driven, it still has plenty of life left on the road. The truck features a clean white exterior and runs on gasoline, paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission for a comfortable and reliable driving experience. Over the years, the current owner has put in a significant amount of work to keep the truck in top condition. Recent upgrades include new shocks, new brakes, and new brake shoes to ensure safe and responsive stopping power. The ignition system has been refreshed with a new distributor, rotor, rotary button, spark plugs, and wires, all contributing to smoother starts and improved performance. Additionally, a brand new carburetor has been installed, enhancing fuel delivery and overall engine efficiency. Number 5. 1987 Ford Ranger, price $6,500. This is a solid little truck that runs and drives great, offering a reliable and practical option for anyone in need of a classic daily driver, a light hauler, or even a project build. With 145,000 miles on the odometer, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in black, complemented by a brown interior that gives it a vintage yet rugged charm. The truck has been well maintained, with all service records from the past 2 years reported to Carfax, and it comes with a clean title and a clean Carfax history. It's equipped with brand new tires and the 4x4 system works perfectly, utilizing manual locking hubs for added control. Despite its age, this Ranger has clearly been well cared for and still has plenty of life left in it. Number 6. 1978 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. Finished in a bold orange exterior with a tan interior, this truck features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance. The truck has been updated with vintage air for added comfort, and several important components have been replaced, including the gas tank, sending unit, radiator, distributor, and brake pads. It sits on stylish 20-inch Riddler wheels and is equipped with Bell-Tech suspension, providing a more modern stance and improved handling. Though it has not been C-notched, while it runs, drives, and stops well, the vehicle does show some rust issues, typical of its age. Overall, this C10 is a solid example of late 70s American truck design, offering both classic appeal and functional upgrades.
Number 7.
1964 Ford F100, price $7,500, with only 15,000 miles on it. Finished in sleek black on both the exterior and interior, it combines vintage style with modern performance upgrades. Under the hood, it features a rebuilt 302 engine equipped with a high-rise intake and a brand new Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor with electronic choke. Paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this truck delivers smooth and powerful performance on the road. The vehicle also boasts power steering and power brakes, enhancing the overall driving experience, especially during local cruising. A Crown Victoria front end has been fitted for improved handling and ride quality. The body is in great condition with no rust. Only a few minor dents, and it has a clean and beautiful overall appearance. It sits on wide rear tires and features a tunnel design, custom headers, and exhaust stacks that give it a bold, aggressive look and sound. The bed of the truck is in cherry condition, further highlighting the care and attention put into its restoration.
Number 8.
1988 Ford F150, price $7,500, with only 85,000 miles on the original odometer. It features a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a 300 inline 6-cylinder engine, providing a smooth and reliable driving experience. The exterior is red, and the interior is also red, offering a matching color scheme. The body is in good shape overall, with only a few patches and minimal rust. The rockers have been replaced, and the underneath of the truck is solid. It rides on 4 brand new Firestone tires and had a new clutch installed at 83,000 miles. Oil has been changed every 3,000 miles since owned.
The title is clean and in the current owner's name. Number 9.
1979 Dodge D150, price $7,900, modified classic that stands out with its bold orange exterior and a 4-speed manual transmission. Powered by a mildly built 360 cubic inch V8 engine, it features headers and a dual exhaust system that give it a deep, aggressive tone and added performance. The truck runs on gasoline and has been upgraded with a later model part-time transfer case, riding high on 40-inch TSL Super Swampers and supported by 8-inch lift springs. This D150 is equipped with Dodge Dana 60 differentials in both the front and rear. It's fitted with a new crossover steering setup and a new steering shaft, providing improved handling. While the body is fairly solid for a vehicle of its age, it does show some expected wear. The floors have a few small holes, and the rockers will require patching.
Number 10.
1992 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500. This is a clean, well-maintained truck with only 92,700 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in a classic gold color, complemented by a tan interior that's in great condition. Mechanically, the truck is in excellent shape. The engine and transmission perform flawlessly. It has a solid body and frame with no structural concerns.
Recent updates include a brand new exhaust system, brake lines, throttle body, and fuel injectors.
A full tune-up has also been completed, along with the installation of new tires, a new battery, and a freshly replaced headliner.